Hey guys, what's up? This is Theo here. Welcome back to Free Code Camp, JavaScript Algorithms and Data Structure Certification, Basic JavaScript Lesson 16. So let's get started. Returning Boolean values from functions. So here we need to fix this issue with this function isLess to remove the if-else statement. Basically what we're going to do is we're going to look at this condition, and this is when we return true. And basically we're just going to do is just say this right here. We're going to say A is less than B. Remove this headache of an if statement right here. And we can go ahead and run this. Good to go. Cool. All right, number 2, return early pattern for functions. So when a return statement is reached, the execution of the current function stops and control returns to the calling location. So modify the function A/B test so that if A or B is less than 0, the function will immediately exit. So basically, I'm just going to say A is less than 0 or B is less than 0. I'm just going to return. Okay, let's go ahead and run that. Good to go. Number 3, counting cards. So let's go ahead and do this. So basically, this one should return 5. Card sequence 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And so what we're going to do here is, so basically what we can do, I guess, is we can switch on basically this card right here. We can say case 2, case 3, case 4, case 5, case 6. All right, and then what we want to do is just say count plus or equal to 1, return, or we'll just do break, sorry. And then we have case 7, case 8, case 9. We're going to say count minus equals 1. We're going to break. All right. And then finally we have case 10, case J. Okay, messed up on there. Case 10, case J, case queen, case king, and case 8, ace. Actually, sorry, this one we're not going to do. Count change. I don't think do we need to do that case? Let me see. Write a card. You'll receive a card parameter, which can be a number or a string. The function will return the string with the current count, and the string if the count is positive. Okay. Or hold if the count is 0 or negative. And then looks like, I don't even know if we need to write these cases right here. And then for this, we can just say count minus equal 1, break. And then finally, right here, we can say, I'm going to write this template string, and I'm going to say return count is greater than 0. We can say, bet. Or sorry, we can say bet plus return count. Actually, I'll just start right here. String is equal, so count is greater than 0. We can say bet count, and then we can say hold, or sorry, we can say count hold. I'm like all over the place. Okay, so count hold. All right, fix that. And here we're just gonna say return string, and then I need to change this around to be count bet. Let's make sure this works. All right, cool. All right, number 4, building JavaScript objects. So you may have heard the term object before. Objects are similar to arrays, except that instead of using indexes to access and modify their data, you can access the data in an object through what are called properties, keys. So you can read about this right here. And again, we can store any kind of data type we want in this object. And these are basically keys. And as we keep going down, we have nested keys. So make an object that represents a dog called my dog, which contains the properties name. So we say name, James, legs, 2, tails, 1. All right, and friends will just be an array for now. Okay, let me clean this up a little bit. Let's go ahead and run this. Good to go. And finally, number 5, access object properties with dot notation. So now we're going to look at how to read our data from the object. So read in the property values of test object using dot notation. Set the variable hat value to be equal to the hat. So we're going to say test object dot. We can sort of see we have access to these properties on here. So we say hat and then shirt. Right. So now we've said, hey, give me this object and give me this key, right? And again, we'll learn later on, we can do it like this as well. Generally, dot notation is preferred though. Let's go ahead and run that. Good to go. So that's it, guys, for lesson 16. Hopefully you guys enjoyed watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Go check out the videos or the courses I recommend in the description. If you're interested, go check them out, buy them, and let me know what you think. See you guys in the next video. Take care.